So today is our final lesson in Chapter 4. It's Lesson 4-7, Converting Unit Measurements. You'll find the customary units and the metric units on your star chart, your conversion chart. So what we're doing is we're going to find the unit rate to have a denominator of 1. So on all of these, what you're going to do is you're going to convert the pounds to ounces by putting your pound or what you're trying to get rid of opposite of each other so they cancel each other out. So here they canceled each other out, and all you're left with is ounces. So 5 times 16 is 80, and 1 times 1 is 1. There's no labels on the bottom, so your denominator is 1, and your label at the top is 16 ounces. So 5 pounds equals 80 ounces. Well, sometimes you need to use the reciprocal of the unit ratio, which means ounces to ounces, but there's a number at the bottom, which is okay because we're trying to get rid of ounces to get to cups. So our cup, whatever the unit is, needs to be that you're wanting, needs to be in the top of the fraction. So we have 28 times 1 is 28, and then 1 times 8 is 8, so we have 28 divided by 8, 8, 16, 24. Put your decimal, annex a 0. 8 goes into 45 times, so our answer is 3.5 cups is equal to 28 ounces. So let's try a few of these. So what I want you to do is I want you to fold your paper up like you're going to glue it into your journal. And I like to fold mine about like this. Number 1 says 5 pounds times 16 ounces. And this is the one we solved earlier. That equals 5 times 16, which 5 times 16 we found out to be 80. So it equals 80 ounces. Make sure your ounces look smaller than the 0 so it doesn't look like 800Z. Number 2, we're trying to convert 48 inches into feet. 48 inches into feet. So we're going to multiply how many inches are in a foot. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. So 48 times 1. And then we have 1 times 12. So we have 48 over 12. Well, 12 goes into 48 4 times. Our label that is left over is feet. So 4 feet is my answer. Number 3. 6 yards, 2 feet. 6 yards, 2 feet. Well, we want to get rid of the yards. How many feet are in 1 yard? 3 feet equals 1 yard. Yards cancel each other out. 6 times 3. And then the denominator is 1, so that would be 18 feet. Let's look at number 6. Number 6 says 3 1/4 miles to blank feet. So we're going to say feet and then miles to cancel out. So this is one that you should have memorized. However, if you don't, you can look at your star chart. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. Now we have a mixed number. We cannot use this mixed number with fractions, so we need to change this into an improper fraction. 3 times 4 plus 1 is 13 fourths. Oh, got to the edge. 13 fourths times 5,280 over 1, feet, miles, miles. Okay, we're going to cancel out the miles to leave us only with feet. And now we have 13 times 5,280, or you can divide first. I suggest dividing first. Divide 4, so you're working with smaller numbers. So we have 1,320 times 13. So our answer is 17,160 feet is our answer. All right, try a few on your own, and then I'll give you your assignment. If you have any questions, ask me.